Now, Pixelverse asks you to collect your OKX wallet. How do you do that? For you not to make mistake, you have to be careful, because if you make mistake in connecting your wallet, once they send anything to that wrong wallet, address is gone forever. So if they ask any address they ask you to send, you choose the correct one. Okay, so let me just clear my balance. Look at my balance, I'll claim it. So what you do, you go top here, look at it, this wallet sign, you click on it. You see, connect to OKX. So click on OKX. Do you have an account? If you have, you go ahead. If you don't have, what you do, you simply head to Play Store. Head to Play Store and you search for OKX. Look at it, OKX. Search for OKX. Once you search for OKX, you see many results, but look at it here below. I've already installed it. This is how it is. This is how it is. OKX, buy Bitcoin, BTC, and crypto. So pay attention to the one you download. Don't download the wrong one. Okay, once you download it and install it, you go ahead and open it. Yes, mine have opened it already. If you have not signed up, you go ahead and do the verification, email verification, and all that. Then there's one thing they will ask you again to do. They'll ask you to do your ID verification, KYC verification, or all that. That is, know your customer. Depending on your country, depending on your region, you use the valid ID they require. For my guys in Nigeria watching this, you can use your BVN or your NIN. So me, I used my BVN for this, so they will accept it. That's right. They will accept it. Just use your valid details. Don't make mistake. Take your time and do it. Okay, once you have finished your BVN and all that, once you have finished connecting it, you open your OKX wallet. You see here at the top, look at the top now. They wrote wallet, they wrote exchange. The one they asked us to use. See, the one they asked us to use. Let's go back to Pixelverse. Okay, do you have an account? I'll click on yes, I have it. Look at what they asked us to use. They asked us to use ERC, USDT-ERC20 wallet address. Don't make mistake and use another one, please. I'm begging you, because if you make mistake and use the wrong wallet, anything they sent will be gone to thin air. It's gone forever. You cannot recover it again. So use the right one. They say USDT-ERC. So how do you get it? You come back to your OKX. Okay, yeah, it's on wallet. This is not the wallet you use. To get that address, you click on exchange. Okay, look at what is popping up. Once you click on exchange, okay, they want me to verify. Not now. I'm not verifying. I'm not even the review for them now. Let me finish showing you guys. I'll go back to that. Then you see these two addresses. You have wallet, you have exchange. Click on exchange. Once you click on exchange, then don't get confused here. Just go straight ahead. Click on deposit. Deposit is the next thing to do. On deposit, you see they say P2P trading. No, that's not what you want to do. I have crypto assets. Yes. Deposit crypto. Yes. Go ahead and click on deposit crypto. Okay. Good. It's loaded. I hope you are following. If you have questions, drop them in the comment box and I will answer them sharply. Sharp. Boom. I've answered your question. I don't waste time. So once it opens, you click on, either you search for it or you can see it here, USDT. Just click on that, USDT. Okay, this is where it gets interesting. As you can see now, there are different types of USDT here. USDT OKX ERC20. This is one we'll use. You see, there are many, so don't make mistake. They even have USDT done. So don't make mistake. This is one you use, USDT ERC20. Okay, USDT ERC20. You select that. So don't make mistake. And then another thing you should know, like let's check our Pixelverse. You see, they say you should use USDT ERC20. Okay, now you have selected that, but there's another thing again that's confusing. They say deposit to what? So what do you deposit to? Don't use trading, please. Don't use trading, use funding. Okay, because you are receiving on the wallet, you are not sending. You are receiving, you are about to receive. You will receive in future from Pixelverse. You are not sending to Pixelverse. So don't choose trading, you choose funding. Sorry, you choose funding. Don't make mistake. Choose funding. So what you set, you set USDT ERC20. Then you choose funding. Once that is done, you take your time. Calm down, please. Calm down. Don't rush it. You can rush anything. You can rush tapping and all that. You can rush your mining and all that. But once it comes to anything wallet, calm down. Take a deep breath and do that. Why? Because if you make mistake, any single slight mistake, it's gone. And it's gone for good. So once you have selected everything that is correct, you copy it. You see, it's copied. Just go here, copy the address. Look at the address here, copy it. So it's copied. Now you come back to your Pixelverse. Okay, so I'll paste the address here, paste it. Okay, once you paste it, you click on this, made it below here. Boom, just wait, he's trying to confirm it. Wow, he's connected. You see, you have connected it successfully. So if you have questions, drop your questions below. I will also have WhatsApp group for crypto miners, those that are interested. There are many crypto projects that some people are not aware about. In that WhatsApp group, I'll show you how to go around it and make the most out of it. So drop your comments below if you want to join. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Then click on this gotcha. Okay, wow, it's connected. I want to show you something. Look at it. Go back to your wallet. You see, OKX is the one collected here. And you note that there are many wallets you can use, many exchange you can use. Okay, there are many exchange you can use, but this one is for OKX. That is for OKX. And something I want to show you. Look at my daily income, 4.81 M. If you want to increase yours, I check the videos in this playlist and drop your comment below. You see. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.